Here we are with probably the easiest project possible with IoT, that is temperature and humidity sensor. We have here DHT22, which is the sensor, and we have a display showing temperature and humidity. We have got a buzzer, and we have got Wi-Fi connectivity, that is sending data to the server. And the server is refreshing every 30 seconds, so it's not you can see it's not reflecting very fast. And the buzzer has got this functionality: if humidity goes above 90, the buzzer rings up. So let us try. If you hold it like this, the humidity normally goes up. So once it is above 90, the buzzer should ring. Let us see, 83 already, and it's 90, so now the buzzer will come up. Yeah, here it is, and the server is taking long, so I guess I will refresh it manually. Okay, until the time the humidity is above 90, it will keep ringing the buzzer. So yeah, so the server has refreshed, and now the buzzer will go off. Thank you very much. Bye.